Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel at Pasal. How have you been? Good? Bad? Something in between? You know what festival is coming very soon? Wanna guess? It's Mid-Autumn Festival. Well, on today's video, we're gonna find out the names of some holidays and festivals in Vietnam. Let's get started. Hong King's commemorations, which is the 10th day of the 3rd lunar month. Hong King's Temple Festival. Liberation Day or Reunification Day on April 30th. International Workers' Day on May 1st. National Day in Vietnam, September 2nd. Communist Party of Vietnam Foundation Anniversary, February 3rd. International Women's Day, March 8th. Dien Bien Phu's Victory Day, May 7th. President Ho Chi Minh's birthday, May 19th. International Children's Day, June 1st. Vietnamese Family Day, June 28th. August Revolution Commemoration Day, August 19th. Capital Liberation Day, October the 10th. Vietnamese Women's Day, October the 20th. Teachers' Day, November 20th. National Defense Day for the People's Army of Vietnam Foundation Anniversary is on the December 22nd. Christmas Day, December 25th. Lantern Festival, or the full moon of the first month, which is the 15th of January. Buddha's birthday, 15th of April. Mid-year Festival, 5th of May. Ghost Festival, which is the 15th of July. Mid-Autumn Festival, 15th of August. Kitchen Guardian, 23rd of December. Well, I guess that's enough for today's lesson. I hope that you all found it helpful. If so, don't forget to give it a like so that we can make more interesting videos in the future. And by the way, we now have a free trial course for new beginners and it's totally free. So check it out. I'll leave it in the description box below. I'm Robbie from Pasal. See you next time.